Where is the man in this house?
You're welcome.
I said, where is the man in this house? Where is he?
Honey, there is no man in this house now. Baby, there is no man in this house.
Where is the man in this house?
Honey, there is no man in this house.
There was no man in this house?
Honey, there is no man in this house. Baby, there is no man in this house. I'm not feeling well.
There was no man in this house?
Yes, honey. Honey, there is no man.
How come? Are you saying there was no man in this house?
Baby, you've searched around now. Did you see any man? There is no man in this house. Honey, there is no man. And besides, I'm not feeling well.
So what is wrong with you?
I'm running temperature.
Sorry, I overreacted based on what I been hearing. It's okay. So you're running temperature. Let's go to the hospital, of course.
No, babe. I just want to rest here. I just want to stay.
But babe, you can't just stay here now. Let's go to the hospital.
No.
It's okay. Let me just. How you feel?
Wait, honey, what do you want to do?
Let me at least sit down and know how you're doing.
No. Baby, I want to stretch my leg, please. I don't just go and sit down there. Oh?
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
Babe.
Can't I just sit down?
Babe, please, I want to stretch my leg,
At least you adjust yourself now. Let me sit down and at least. Okay, let me massage your leg.
Babe, wait. Don't massage my leg. Babe, I'm okay. I just want to rest. You just came back now. In fact, honey, go inside. Go inside. You just came back. In fact, go and bring me water.
I don't understand. Why are you acting this way? And you said you're sick. What is it? Let me at least.
My throat, baby.
Okay,
go inside and get.
Hey,
wait now, honey. Stop doing this thing now. Go inside and get me water. I'm thirsty. Honey, water.
Can you just stand up and get yourself water? What's the meaning of this now? Can you just stop this acting? Stand up and get yourself water. What's this?
If I'm your wife,
I know you're my wife, but you can't just lie down here and tell me you're sick. And let's go to the hospital. You're saying no. Get up, let me sit down. You're saying no. What's wrong with you now?
You're raising your voice.
I don't like this thing you're doing. Let me just have a seat.
Babe, wait now. Babe, okay, sit down there, okay? Just
okay, I just came back. Get me something to eat, please. Or just get me something to drink. Alright?
Babe, is it not me that's been shouting here that I'm not feeling well? Now you're saying I should go inside and get you something to eat. Babe, go and serve yourself, please. I don't like this thing. Go inside the kitchen, make yourself food and eat.
It means I should go inside the kitchen, make myself food to eat. Can't you get me something to drink?
Babe, you can help me. I am your wife, right?
This is not like you.
When I'm down, you assist me. That's why I'm your wife. Please, go inside the kitchen and serve and make something for yourself.
Are you for real?
Babe, please.
Babe, are you sure you're fine?
Babe,
what is this?
Babe, I'm just tired. Don't you get it? My whole veins are weak. I can't stand up here.
At least let me help you. Let's go to the hospital. You can't just lie down here. Okay, it's okay. It's fine. Let's at least go to the hospital. Let's go to the hospital now. You can't just lie down here and cover yourself with duvets.
Babe, my chest, water.
It's okay. Let me get you water. Okay? Let me get you water. It's okay. It's okay. I think I'm hearing the phone ringing. Who was that phone?
It's my phone, honey.
Where's the phone?
It's my phone!
Jesus! Hey, Jesus!
Baby.
Hey. Are you back? So this is it. So this is it.
No.
Hey. Really? Young man, who are you?
It's me.
You who?
Me.
Hey. This is the end of the road for you.
Hey.
What are you doing in my house?
I came to fix something.
You came to fix something?
Yes, I came to
Probably to fix my wife.
The light.
What are you doing in my house? Who are you? Go. This man.
This man.
Yes,
Who are you?
Man, you.
Stop talking.
What are you?
Who are you? What are you in my house? Who are you in my house? Who are you? What are you doing in my house?
How's your wife, eh?
So this is it. So it has been through all this while.
No, baby.
Really? No wonder. So this is it. I came here, stand up and get me water. No. Let's go to the hospital. No. Let me.
Baby, wait.
So it has been through all this while. What I've been hearing, it's all true.
Honey, it's not what you
You're
think.
cheating on me in my house.
Hey,
Bringing in different kinds of
why
men.
do you come into
you
this
cheating on your
house?
husband?
Get up. Get up. Get up. So this is it. So this is what you do. You do in my house. So this is what you do in my house. Really?
Okay, relax.
Honey,
Hey, sit down.
Is it
I have
me?
nothing to do with you now.
Okay.
My friend, I'm going to lock you up in my room until my military friends come.
Hey, okay, you
I will deal with you.
calm down, please.
Today, after today, the next time you see married women, you will never go anywhere close to them.
Hey, okay, last.
Can you imagine?
Give me that last minute.
Now,
Hey.
this place.
Well,
If I'm locking you up until the police comes in.
hey, babe, please.
So I go out there to hustle and make money for you, and what you pay me back with is bringing men into the house. Have you ever asked of anything and I did not give it to you?
Baby, you always.
Have you ever requested anything and you did not get it?
You've always giving me what I.
So what
Baby,
are you
wait
doing? Get up! Get up! So what are you doing with men?
Baby, he's the
What
He's the
are you
devil.
doing with him?
He's devil. He's devil.
Devil?
Baby, wait.
How dare you call the devil?
Okay.
You are the devil himself.
Baby.
Whenever I'm not around, you bring in men into my house. You're not even scared. Go in there. Pack your things.
Okay.
I'm taking you back to your parents now. Did you hear me?
Yes.
Now go. Get out! Get out! Goodness! What is this? I think I'll have to call my officer friends to get this idiot arrested. Major Frank, please come to my house immediately with your hillocks and some boys, please. Now, please. Thank you.